would a YouTube channel be without a video with a gorgeous background? Doing a little touring by myself today, and I found this scenic tower. And I heard it wasn't even a good day to go out. It just reminds me to keep looking around for different beauties and have an open mind to go exploring a little bit in life. I do admit I get a little claustrophobic when there's so many trees around, being from the prairies, but it definitely has its beauty. This is Baker's Narrows. Narrows or Narrow? I don't remember. It's a park. Baker's Narrows. I believe it's a provincial park in Manitoba. Definitely Manitoba, but I'm not even sure really where that park is. Oh yeah, I'm at like the northwest corner of it, so that's southeast behind me. East and around there. There's a lake all around it, so gorgeous. And so much rock too, look at down here. Just trees growing right out of the rock. And that's everywhere too, like everywhere you look. The city's Flin Flon. It's just rock everywhere. As one of those signs said, it was like Lake, what's it called? Lake Athapapaskow? Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And yeah, I'm still filming. Lake Athapapaskow or Papaskow or something like that. And that means surrounded by rocks in Cree. And then if I flip it around and watch where I'm looking over here, there's a big island in the middle. You can't really tell it's an island, but the big island in the middle was, as it says here on the upper track, am I getting that? The upper track board there? It was believed a Hudson's Bay Company trading post once existed there. Nothing in the company records, but there was intense rivalry back in the day, so maybe they kept things a little hush-hush. Who knows? Very interesting. And as the board over here says, I wonder, in the future, am I getting that? I'm not very good at this reverse thing. In the future, how will our story read? Wonder, thousands of years from now, what they'll think we did. We'll be old school with our new technology. And there's the other board there. I learned that there was copper ore here. I have so much more to learn about here, but I have so much more to learn in general, right? The more you know, the more you know you don't know. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy the view. Peace out.